Hey, have you ever listened to radio and TV commercials and wondered whose voice belongs to the voiceovers you hear? Now, some of them might be well-known actors and celebrities, but who are the rest? How do they get that work? And where do they get the training and the information to get these jobs in the first place? If you've always been intrigued by voiceovers and wondered if you could join the ranks of top voice artists for the ever-growing output of media around the world, then you need to take this course. Picture this, you, the voice maestro, delivering compelling voiceover for TV and radio commercials, documentaries, corporate image videos, even gaming adventures. Your voice, the driving force behind marketing campaigns, audiobooks, animated characters, or so many other places. The secret sauce? Versatility. The more colors you can paint with your voice, the emotions you evoke, the accents you master, the characters that you embody, the more your value soars in this multifaceted industry. And that value is a reality. As a full-time voiceover, you can genuinely build a solid six-figure income, working mostly from the comfort of your own home studio like my own booth here. Now here you harness your favorite software to weave your audio magic, blending your performance with technical finesse, recording, editing, and delivering crafted audio files to your loyal and grateful clients. But let's be honest about all this. The road to success isn't always a straight line. Many get lost in the technical maze or struggle to stand out from the crowd. Now, this course from the studios of VoiceOver Masterclass is your trusty compass, guiding you through every step with precision and purpose, ensuring that you emerge equipped, empowered, and inspired to succeed as a voiceover, voice actor, or narrator, or all three. You know, your voice is unique and could, with the right training, become highly sought after by high-paying clients or production companies. With dedication and the right guidance, you could be the voice that resonates across platforms, becoming an in-demand talent. So, join me on a transformative journey as we delve into the intricacies of discovering your voice, setting up your home studio, mastering recording and editing techniques, and guiding you onwards and upwards. From creating dazzling demos to crafting your professional presence, this course is your gateway to voiceover success. So join me as we together embark on this exhilarating expedition through the vibrant world of voiceover. The stage is set, the microphone awaits. Let's embark on this adventure together.